Hello everybody, it's 3:57 and 15 seconds on August 30th. This is the drawing for the Marvel Spotlight 28 and 29 first and second solo Moon Knights. They're both very nice copies. Over here are the 15 filled spots. Let's quickly roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. We're going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the books, they will ship out tomorrow, Friday. Okay, so good luck, everybody. That's one. There's one international participant. Should you win, you do need to pay the international shipping. Thank you. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is the final one. 12. Spot 14, John Gray. Congratulations. Time is 3:58 and 13